Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your watch type and accessing the crown so you can change time precisely. First, make sure the crown is unlocked. Many screw-down crowns require several turns counterclockwise until they pop free. Once done, pull to the first detent for date functions or fully out for time adjust. You want the full time setting position now. Use a 24-hour reference, your phone or atomic clock, so AM/PM is correct. Make sure to work on a clean, flat surface to prevent drops. Now you adjust the hands with deliberate, controlled turns of the crown. Turn the crown in the direction specified by the manufacturer, typically clockwise, and move the minute hand forward to the desired time, pausing at hours to confirm AM versus PM by passing 12. Once the hour and minute are set, correct the seconds by stopping at 60 or using a hacking feature, if present. This lets you synchronize to the exact second. Make sure to return the crown slowly, so gears engage smoothly. Finish by pressing the crown fully in, and if it's a screw-down type, rotate clockwise until it seats and seals. This preserves water resistance. Once set, monitor the watch for 24 hours to ensure it keeps accurate time. Note if it gains or loses seconds per day. If you see issues, make sure the crown is fully engaged and repeat the setting, avoiding the date change window between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. If problems persist, seek a technician to check the movement or regulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.